Today we have for the absolute freshers as well, and we have for the experience as well. Meanwhile, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job needs I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end because there might be a couple of scams as well. Anyway, this is the first opening, which is for the cybersecurity intern as a fresher. You can see the experience is not required. It's for the absolute fresher. It's for what you need to do. You need to do some sort of SOC things, right? And that's what I feel. You can see all those things, requirement and all. This is the mail ID on which you can drop a resume and probably will get selected, right? Next is desktop support engineer. This is not much into cybersecurity, but it's like if you are looking for something very special or something, then this is good for you. It's like you know what is desktop support engineer. You can see the description here and what are things which is required. And this is in ESEC 40, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop a resume, right? Next opening is for the SOC Analyst L1. 2 years of experience is required. Mumbai, immediate joining, which is in Mumbai. You should have knowledge about Splunk, QRadar, ArcSight, right? Alert monitoring, incident analysis, and basic networking security knowledge, right? 2 rounds will be there, technical and client round, and this is a mail ID on which you can send your resume. Next is L2 and L3 engineering network engineer role. Minimum 3 years of experience required. Location is Pune, Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai, and the other skills which is required. And yes, also this BGP border gateway protocol and all those things knowledge is important, right? This is mail ID on which you can drop resume. Next is for the pen tester role, 2 to 5 years of experience is required. And if you're fresher, right, if you are not experienced with 2 to 5 years, if you're fresher and you have 1+ CV published with your name, then probably you will get hired for this role. This is work from home, which is in Kerala, and this is the mail ID on which you drop it. Next is associate analyst, 2+ years of experience is required. BTech BE is mandatory, and this is what you can see the skills which is required. This is mail ID on. Next is there is 5 opening for the cybersecurity role in Anthic AI, Anthic AI. 18 plus LPA they are going to pay you, and this is negotiable. Okay, this is in Patel Nagar, Delhi. Team leader, cybersecurity expert, lead consultant. The role certificate is any reputed certificate is good. Second is team lead, which is 8+ years of experience required. Right? This is the for quick reply. You can drop a message or send a resume on this WhatsApp number, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop it. You can drop a resume here as well for the quick response. That's what we have. Thank you very much. We have Cyber Coffee YouTube channel, which is where we are teaching cybersecurity in Hindi, right? If you're looking for SOC internship come training, check out this year. If you're looking for training come internship on web application pen testing, check out this year viehgroup.com/tci. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.